Assalamualaikum grade 5th. I hope you are doing well. I am your English teacher with the lecture of Oxford Progressive English. So open your books of English Oxford. Open page number 100. Unit number 19, lesson number 3, reading time travel. Discuss where do you think these places are? Read and check. Number the pictures in order. We will read about these places in this story, and I have ordered these pictures and now you can copy it. In this story, basically there are three main characters. First one is Dan, second one is Sandra, and the third one is Uncle Steve. And they are talking about scanner and the use of scanner. It is said that you use it to send a picture down the phone line to another person. So you put a photo of a place into the scanner and the machine takes you there. And by following this instruction, these characters use different pictures and visit different places, and during their trip they have to face many difficulties. First of all, they have to face three difficulties. First one is fighting in the arena, and the second one is eruption of volcano, and the third one is fire of Rome. And step by step they tell us about these things. First of all, they entered the picture of Italy and enjoy things about Italy. Later they put a picture of a stadium. Suddenly they were in a larger stadium in the middle of the excited crowd. This was not Steve's lucky day. Next day they found themselves on a rocky mountain side. What a horrible smell, said Dan, just like bad eggs. Yellow clouds were coming out of the mountain top and stones began to fall out of the sky. At that moment, a pair of wild-looking dogs ran up to them. One of them bit Sandra on the ankle. Steve took out the first aid box and cleaned the dog bite. Looking worried, I think that dog was sick, he said, so we need to find a doctor for Sandra fast. And not a Rome doctor, please, said Sandra. This means our trip back to the 21st century, said Steve. Okay, let's go. So we can say that by the pictures of different places, they visit different places. For example, Italy, Rome, and so on. Number 2, answer these questions. Number 1, how many disasters did they experience during the trip? What were they? Basically, there were three disasters. First one is fighting in the arena, and the second one is eruption of volcano, and the third one is fire of Rome. Number 2, who recognized the Leaning Tower of Pisa? Answer is Sandra. Who knew the name of the football club in Milan? The answer is Dan. Number 4, who recognized the Rome's cloth? And the answer is Dan. Who noticed the bad smell? Answer is Dan. Who knew the date of the volcano disaster at Pompeii? And the answer is Uncle Steve. Number 7, who knew the date of the Great Fire of Rome? The answer is Dan. Who was worried about Sandra's dog bite? Uncle Steve. One important thing about these questions, you have to put full stop at the end of these names, or we can say that at the end of the answers. Number 3, find and underline the direct question in the story, then report them. I have written this direct and indirect speech, and now you can copy these sentences on your notebooks. Let's read the words meaning of this story. Adventure, Mahaz, enterprise, scanner, a device for scanning. Whistle, सीटी बजाना, to blow or sound. Surrounded, घेर लिया हुआ. Encircled, rubbish, कूड़ा, garbage. Shouting, चिल्लाना. Crying, pleased, खुश, happy, sure, यकीन, certain. Crowd, हजूम, jam. Horrible, खतरनाक, awful, erupting, फट जाना, discharge, danger, खतरा, threat. By following this video, you can complete your work of English Oxford, and you have to note down all the answer question and sentences on your notebooks. Okay, Allah Hafiz.